Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Minecraft Minecoins not working in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is make sure that you're connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device. The other thing that you can do is simply head over to settings, tap on apps, tap on Minecraft, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache for Minecraft, and then restart the game. The other thing that you can do is simply head over to your app drawer, search for Minecraft, long press on Minecraft, uninstall it and reinstall it on your device. Do keep in mind that if you've recently purchased Minecoins on Minecraft, it'll take some time to appear on your device. One more thing that you can do is verify your payment. For that, simply open up Play Store on your device, tap on You at the bottom right of your screen, and then tap on your profile icon at the top right of your screen. Once you're here, you can simply tap on Payments and Subscriptions. After that, you can tap on Purchase Verification and Payment Methods to check your payments and purchase verifications. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.